Hey y'all, it's Asia. I'm back with another video. So I have to whisper because my daughter is asleep. But I made this cold and cough remedy. I got this from TikTok. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video. I just want to tell y'all what I'm using. Just orange, and you want to get raw local honey. So I also, towards the end of the video, you'll see I added some honey and onions I made a couple weeks ago. I just added a little bit of honey from that mixture to it, and my kids did take it. My nieces took it, I took some. It does work. My kids and nieces and nephew is coughing like crazy, so I looked up this recipe off of TikTok, and yeah, give it a try. Y'all like and follow for more, and enjoy.